Buckner can't get it to go.
Oh. Well. Oh, you have a fight on the other end. Rivers and Bamba getting into it. I have no idea what happened, but it is an all-out melee under the basket right now.
Yeah, Austin Rivers got some good.
I think Bamba came off the bench to throw punches at Rivers.
That's crazy.
There will be a number of ejections here, and Bamba is still hot.
I've never seen that before. Torian Prince is hot too, by the way. It just happened.
Bamba runs right to the tunnel. He tells Rivers, I'll see you in the back. So you have to make sure